Okay. Good morning, children. Now we are going. Now I am going to say the answer for the ninth lesson, that is matter around. That is chemistry. Already I have completed one lesson from physics. Now we are coming to the second lesson, chemistry. First one, choose the correct answer. The liquid metal used in thermometer is mercury. Option B. So we have to write option, then you have to go for the answer. First you have to write B, then we have to write mercury. Second one, the pictorial symbol for water given by the alchemist was, option C is the correct answer. Then which one of the element named not derived from planet? So the answer is mercury. D is the correct option. Question number 4. Symbol of mercury is BHG. Question number 5. A form of non-metal which has high ductility is, option D is the correct answer, carbon. Question number 6. The property which allows metals to be hammered into their sheets is, answer B is the correct answer, malleability. Question number 7. The non-metal which conduct current is carbon. Option A is the correct answer. Pencil lead contains, option A is the correct answer, graphite. And question number 9. Identify the state of matter based on the arrangement of the molecules. The options are given there, A, B, C. But the correct answer is C. That is A, gas, B, solid, C, liquid. Is it clear, children? Mark the answers in the book itself. Next we have to go for fill in the blanks. So I'll spell the words also, just write down the spellings. So how we used to do in the class time, the same like only. The element which possess character of both metals and non-metals are called metalloids. METALLOIDS. The symbol of tungsten is W. So you have to write capital, cast W. Melting point of most metal is higher than non-metal, higher, HIGHER. Water contains dash and dash element. We know from the lower classes, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen, HYDROGEN, oxygen, OXYGEN. Dash is used in semiconductor. Dash is used as semiconductor in industry. Used as, not used in, used as. So you have to write either silicon or germanium. You have to write both. Silicon, SILICON, germanium, GERMANIUM. Either this or that. Next we have to go for match the correct. Match the following. There are two sets of match the following. As usual we have to put the numbers. The first side we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4. The second side we have to write A, B, C, D. Iron, that is sewing needle. Copper, for making wires. Tungsten, making the filament in a bulb. Boron, as a fuel for ignition in rockets. So the options are B, A, D, C. And question number 2, this is other set of match the following. So what are the questions given here? Atom, element, compound, molecule. The answer, atom. Building blocks of matter. Straight answer is there. And second one is element. Answer is C. Atoms of the same kind. Compound. That is third one. Option is atoms of different kinds. Molecule. Smallest unit of substance. In this, A and D both are given direct answers. Only thing we have to change B and C. Second and third one. Now we have to go for question and answers. Answer very briefly. What is ductility? So while listening lessons, certainly you would have remembered what all I say. What is ductility? The answer, metals can be drawn into thin wires. This property of metal is called ductility. Example, copper wires. Clear, children? Verify the books, or else better you note down the voice and write the classwork. You can mark from the book itself. This answer is given in the book. Write the constituent elements and their symbols for the following compounds. Carbon monoxide, washing soda. So compound we have to write in one side. Carbon monoxide, CO. What are the constituent elements there? Carbon and oxygen. Washing soda, that is washing soda, sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. That is 2 atoms of sodium, 3 atoms of carbon dioxide. Na2CO3, sodium, carbon and oxygen. 3 elements are there. Third question, write the symbols of the following elements. That's given in the book itself, you see. Oxygen, O, gold, Au, calcium, Ca, cadmium, Cd, iron, Fe. Always first letter should be in capital, second letter in small letter. Question number 4. Which non-metal is essential for our life and all living beings inhale it during breathing? Answer, oxygen is essential. So, which non-metal? The place of non-metal you have to write oxygen. All the other things you can take up from the question. Why are bells made of metals? Answer, on being it, metals produce a typical sound. They are said to be sonorous. This property is being made use in making bells. This is the property of metals. No, in this all the points are given. Pick the points from these. Question number 6. What does a chemical symbol represent? A chemical symbol is a shorthand method of representing an element. Symbol of an element signifies what are the importance. That is, and I think no need. What does a chemical symbol represent? A chemical symbol is shorthand method of representing an element. If it is 2 mark answer, write only 1 point. Suppose the same question is given in 5 mark, you have to write the other things also. Symbol of an element signifies. It says name of the element, 1 atom of the element, for example. The symbol O, that is no need. Write only what does a chemical symbol represent. A chemical symbol is a shorthand method of representing an element. That's enough. Other things not necessary. Give 2 examples for metalloids. Answer, boron and silicon. BORON and silicon SiLiCon. Mention any 3 compounds that exist in liquid state. What are the answers? 3 compounds they are asking. Water, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid. Write 3 properties of metalloids. So that is given in the book under the heading of properties of metalloids. Metalloids are all solid at room temperature. First point, they can form alloys with other metals. Some metalloids such as silicon and germanium can act as electronical conductors under the specific conditions. Thus they are called semiconductors. Silicon, for example, appears lustrous, but it is not malleable, not ductile. So within brackets no need. It is much poorer conductor of heat and electricity than the metals. So if you want to write in the short form, they can form alloys with the other metals. Some metalloids such as silicon and germanium can act as electrical conductors under the specific conditions enough. And third point, here they are brittle. It is a much poorer conductor of heat and electricity than the metals. Poor conductor is enough. Any 4 you can write. It's in page number 98. If you want, let me say no, physical state, that is what condition they are. Usually solid, liquid or gas. 3 states, non-metal. Malleability, they can be easily malleable. Malleable means what? Melting. The metal good, then this is poor. Usually soft or brittle. Ductility, good. Poor, usually soft or brittle. Boiling point, usually high, usually low. That is given in the book also. Why are utensils made up of aluminium and brass? The cooking utensils are made up of aluminium and brass because they are good conductors of heat. Aluminium will form a layer of protective oxide that prevents further reaction. Also, aluminium relatively cheap, and that is why it is used widely in making utensils. 2 times the also is there, only once enough. Define alchemy. Alchemy was a form of chemistry studied in the Middle Age. which was concerned with trying to discover ways to change ordinary metals into gold. Question number 5. Name the elements for the following symbol. Na means what? Sodium. You have to write the symbol. Next to the symbol, you have to write the element name. Na, sodium. W, tungsten. Ba, barium. Al, aluminium. U, uranium. Question number 6. Name 6 common non-metals and write the symbol that also given in the book. Sulfur, S. Carbon, C. Oxygen, O. Hydrogen, H. Helium, because already hydrogen H, we are writing first letter and second letter. First letter should be in capital, second letter in small. He. Then nitrogen, N. Mention any 4 compounds and their uses. That also given in the book. You have to verify the page numbers, children. Common name, that is water. Chemical name is what? Hydrogen oxide. What are the constituents? Hydrogen and oxygen. What is the use? For drinking and as a solvent. Next one, table salt, that is sodium chloride. What are the constituents there? Sodium and chlorine. Essential component of our daily diet. Preservative for meat and fish. Sugar, sucrose. What are the constituents there? Carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Preparation of sweets, toffees and fruit juices. Baking soda, that is sodium bicarbonate. Sodium, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. 4 elements are there. That is used as fire extinguisher. Preparation of baking powder and preparation of cakes and bread. Name the metal that are used in jewellery. Silver and gold are used for making jewels and in decorative purposes. Mention the uses for the following compounds. Baking soda, bleaching powder and quicklime. Baking soda, you know that is sodium bicarbonate. It is used as fire extinguisher, preparation of baking powder and preparation of cakes and bread. Bleaching powder as a bleaching agent, disinfectant and sterilization of drinking water. Quicklime, manufacture of cement and glass. Give reasons for the following. Aluminium foils are used to wrap food items. So answer, you have to write question and answer. Answer. Aluminium is malleable, soft and does not react with food item. So it is used to wrap food items. Immersion rods for heating liquids are made up of metallic substances. Answer. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. So immersion rods are made up of metallic substance. Third one, sodium and potassium are stored in kerosene. Sodium and potassium are very reactive. They react with air and water, so they are stored in kerosene. Mercury is used in thermometers. Mercury, answer. Mercury is used in thermometer. We are taking off of the answer from the question. Thermometer and barometer because of its high density and uniform expansion of different temperature. And question number 2. Why wires cannot be drawn from materials such as stone or wood? Wires cannot be drawn from materials such as stone or wood. Till that in question. It is because these materials are non-conductors of electricity. Thank you, children. Totally, I have given science 4 lessons for the quarterly exam. That is, what are the lesson? 1, 7. And from biology we say 2 lessons. That is 16 and 17. All the 4 lessons, everything is given for you. That is, choose from the choose correct answer till detailed answer. You can we can use this as a record, or else you can verify the books also. But get ready for the quarterly exam. Learn then and then whatever possible. Thank you, children.